In this Adfly tutorial, I'll show you how to make money online with Adfly. But what is Adfly? Well, Adfly is a URL shortener that rewards the publishers of the shortened links by offering a 50% revenue share. A publisher will earn money through Adfly by placing shortened links on their website, blog, Facebook, Twitter, or any site at all. And anytime a visitor clicks on an Adfly link, they'll see a full page ad for 5 seconds, and then they can skip to go to their intended destination. And this advertiser revenue is shared with you, the publisher of the link. So if you want to get paid to share your links on the internet, well then join Adfly today, and you get paid for every person who visits your URLs. Adfly provides safe advertising and has a low minimum payout of $5 before you get paid. You can get paid by PayPal, Payoneer, or even Payzer. And there's detailed statistics showing you which links are getting clicked and which aren't. There's over 5 million users registered with Adfly and over 10 million clicks just today. But how much do you get paid by using Adfly? Well, here's the Adfly publisher rates for the 11th of February 2017. And the rates are broken down into the average amount for 1,000 visitors in 24 hours. So for instance, in the United States, on average, for 1,000 clicks, publishers like you will earn around $11.25. It could be lower in some other countries, but United States, Canada, United Kingdom and Australia are all paying great rates. In fact, you can see here that the highest user over the last 24 hours got paid $116 just for using Adfly. Now the good thing about Adfly is it's actually available to all countries worldwide, so it's just not restricted to Western countries. Anyone has a chance of using Adfly. So let's sign up to Adfly. I'll pop a link in the notes below. You just need to enter your name, a username, an email, and the type of an account you want. And you just want to choose the default account, which is perfect for you as a publisher. You just enter in your password and have to do the human check reCAPTCHA. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then join. Once inside, you'll find this Adfly interface. It enables you to understand what people are clicking and how much money you're making. To create an Adfly shortened link, paste in any link at all, and then hit shrink. And now you have a shortened URL you can use, and when people click on this link, they'll always see an Adfly ad, and you'll get paid when they do. Now I've only just joined Adfly, so I haven't got any stats to show you, but as you saw before, the payout rates are pretty good. And here's my link down here right now. I've actually linked it to the Adfly Skipper program, so it'll be the last Adfly ad they see before getting the Adfly Skipper, which just prevents Adfly ads coming up. And the more time you share your link, the more chances you've got of making money with Adfly. Now there's another way to earn money with Adfly, and that's to get referrals. You just copy your referral program link and give it to someone who's interested in joining Adfly. I'll put my link in the notes below. You then receive 20% of their earnings for life. And if they want to advertise, you'll actually earn 5% commission. You can even put your referral link in banner ads on your website. We have a look at the tools. There's quite a few tools for Adfly. You can do a mass URL shrinker. That's just to save you time if you've got a whole list of URLs that you want to shrink. And if you've got a website and you want to add paid links to all your links, then just use the multiple links tool. Easy links is just where you add the URL onto your referral code, and it will automatically send people via Adfly. You can even add a bookmarklet onto your browser toolbar to make Adfly a lot easier. And when you've earned some money with Adfly, you just come into the withdrawal screen, and if you've earned more than $5, you can cash out. And if you've had an account for longer than 1 month and are earning a lot of money with Adfly, then you can set daily payment requirements so you get paid daily. There's even a forum with Adfly to give you hints and tips about how to maximize your revenue with your shortened links. And don't forget, you can post your shortened Adfly links on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Quora, forums, or even on your own blog or YouTube channel. And the best way to get people to click your link is to help them out by solving one of their problems. Another way you'll find people use Adfly links is to go onto popular YouTubers' channels and go into the comments and post a link in there. When a video has over 4 million views, you've got a chance of getting a few clicks. So are you ready to make money with Adfly? It might be just the ideal way for you to earn a few extra dollars online. I hope you've enjoyed the Adfly tutorial, and I'll put my referral link in the notes below. Please like and subscribe, and bye for now.